we have decided to have 3-tier mechanism for OTT platforms. First, for OTT and digital news media, both will have to disclose their details from where they publish, how they publish, how much is the spread, anything. So that disclosure will come. That is first. Information. We are not mandating a registration. We are seeking information. Then second is, there has to be grievance redressal system, as Raviji has said. Their grievance redressal system, in the same manner, it will work in OTT platforms and digital portals also. They will have to have their own portal for grievance redressal. Then second tier will be self-regulation. On OTT platforms, they will have to have a self-regulation, a body headed by a retired Supreme Court or High Court judge, or otherwise very eminent person in this category. So this is what we are entailing. So there, any grievances, there has to be a place for making grievance. उसकी सुनवाई होनी चाहिए और उसके सुनवाई पर कोई जजमेंट आना चाहिए. और जैसे हम टीवी पे देखते हैं कि टीवी पर स्क्रॉल आता है, माफी मांगते हैं, कुछ दंड भी होता है, तो ये खुद करते हैं, सरकार नहीं करती. ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म में एक और है कि अभी सेंसर बोर्ड होता है फिल्म वालों को, लेकिन ओटीटी को सेंसर बोर्ड नहीं है. तो हमने कहा है सेल्फ क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एज रिलेटेड इश्यूज टू बी सॉल्व, एंड उसका एक प्रोसेस हो कि 13 से ऊपर 13+, 16+ and A category, there has to be a mechanism of parental lock and ensuring compliance that children don't see that.